Most people get this wrong when trying to cancel Spotify Premium, and they end up getting charged again even after they think they've stopped the subscription. Here's the truth no one tells you. Canceling Spotify is not just one button. It depends on where you originally subscribed. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to cancel Spotify Premium in 2026, step by step, whether you signed up on the app, website, iPhone, or Android. And by the end, you'll make sure you never get charged again. Let's get straight into it. First, open your browser and go to the Spotify website. This is important. But here's the problem most users face. They try to cancel inside the mobile app and can't find the option. That's because Spotify does not allow full subscription cancellation through the app in many cases. Now log in to your account. Once inside, go to your profile and click on Account Overview. This is your control panel. Now here's where it gets interesting. Look for a section called Your Plan. Under it, you will see your current Spotify Premium subscription. Click on Change Plan or Cancel Premium. At this point, Spotify may try to convince you to stay. You might see offers like discounted premium or free trial extensions. This is normal. But if your goal is to cancel, ignore these offers and continue scrolling. Click on Cancel Premium and confirm your choice. Now here's the key detail most people miss. If you subscribe through Apple App Store or Google Play Store, the cancellation will not work from the Spotify website. This is where most users get stuck and still get charged. So let's break it down clearly. If you used an iPhone, go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, then Subscriptions. Find Spotify in the list and cancel it there. If you skip this step, Apple will continue billing you, even if Spotify Premium is canceled on the website. If you used Android and subscribed through Google Play, open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions. Find Spotify and cancel from there. Now here's a retention moment you need to pay attention to. Even after canceling, your premium benefits do not disappear instantly. You will keep premium access until your current billing cycle ends. So if you were charged today, you can still use premium until that period finishes. This is where many users think the cancellation failed, but it didn't. But here's where it gets interesting. If you are trying to avoid being charged next month, make sure you cancel at least 24 hours before your renewal date. Otherwise, the system may still process the next payment. Now let's talk about confirmation. After cancellation, always check your email. You should receive a confirmation message from Spotify. If you don't get it, go back and verify your subscription status under Your Plan. One more important tip. Do not delete the app thinking it cancels your subscription. This is one of the biggest mistakes users make. Deleting the app does nothing to stop billing. So, here's the simple summary. Go to the correct platform based on where you subscribed, cancel premium from account settings or subscriptions menu, confirm via email, and make sure billing has stopped. If you follow these steps correctly, you will avoid unexpected charges and fully control your subscription without stress. Now you know exactly how to cancel Spotify Premium the right way in 2026. If this video helped you, like it, share it with someone who might be getting charged unknowingly, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.